took a lost weekend, a hotel in Amsterdam, a double pneumonia, a single room, and the sickest joke was the price of the medicine. Are you alive now? May I please laugh along with you? This morning I woke up from a deep, unquiet sleep, and I straight clothes from this lonely heartband with which I wrote for you a love song, tied to a palm, the palm you stole it from me when Jesus took my hand. You see, I wouldn't say if I didn't mean it. Drop the piano for pieces too easily. I was aching deep, the head full of patch, you wore my heart on my sleeve like a stain. My aim was to boo you. Could we meet in the marketplace? Did I ever hate, please? Did you woo my knees? You see, I wouldn't say if I didn't mean it. Drop me out for pieces. It's too easy, there's nobody else to blame. Should I hang my head in a crying shame? Is there nobody else to blame? Nobody else except for my sweet self again. It took a lost weekend, a hotel in Amsterdam, 24 gone years to conclude in tears of the sickest joke. Price of the medicine, are you laughing at me now? May I please laugh along with